am back again with Daily Market Bites with StockDaddy, where I will provide you with the daily stock market buzz. तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के let's get started. During the pre-market opening session, that is before 9 AM, the SGX Nifty was trading at 18,451. वहीं अगर हम निफ्टी की बात करें तो प्री ओपनिंग सेशन के बाद निफ्टी 18,376 पर ओपन हुआ एंड देन बैंक निफ्टी 42,177 पर ओपन हुआ. After the positive opening, Nifty fall and made the low of 18,311 and then stuck in a range and closed at 18,329 after losing 20 points from its previous day close, and Bank Nifty closed at 42,076 with the minor loss of 60 points. Now let's talk about the most awaited market highlights, that is who were the top gainers and losers in Nifty 50. Let's start with today's top gainers. As you can see on screen, Hindalco, Apollo Hospitals, Tata Motors, Grasim and Power Grid. तो आज बुल्स का पार्टिसिपेशन इन स्टॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा देखने को मिला. अब बात करते हैं आज के टॉप लूजर्स की एंड आज के टॉप लूजर्स में सबसे पहला है डॉक्टर रेड्डी, कोल इंडिया, आईटीसी, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर एंड एसबीआईएन. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि बियर्स का पार्टिसिपेशन इन स्टॉक्स में सबसे ज्यादा देखने को मिला. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम मेजर मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक इवेंट्स. India's gold prices were near 3 months highs because US inflation was lower than expected. India's annual wholesale prices based inflation eased in October to 8.39% year-on-year, the lowest since March 2021. Third important news is today the Indian rupee traded lower against the US dollar, unable to hold on to its advance at the open as importers and speculators scooped up dollars. The rupee was at 81.08 to the dollar by 0506 GMT, down from 80.79 in the previous session. Now let's talk about some major macroeconomic events. Saudi Arabia's Sovereign Wealth Fund and BlackRock have signed an agreement to jointly explore infrastructure project in the Middle East focused on Saudi Arabia. The Public Investment Fund, which manages more than $600 billion in assets, said the non-binding Memorandum of Understanding will serve as the anchor for BlackRock's Middle East infrastructure strategy. It added that the world's biggest fund manager plans to build a dedicated infrastructure investment team in Riyadh. Industries to target including energy, utilities, transport and telecoms. तो ये थी आज के मार्केट से जुड़ी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि कल मार्केट का बिहेवियर कैसा रह सकता है तो रेफर टू आवर वीडियो निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी प्रेडिक्शंस, जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. एंड ऐसी ही और भी इंटरेस्टिंग अपडेट्स के लिए फॉलो स्टॉक डैडी.